There is a large focus on safety. All commercial vehicle manufacturers basically have a very high need and demand for vehicle safety. And so do we as a tier 1 supplier for all those customers. OnHand offers a variety of safety and comfort related functions which add a lot of value also for the drivers. Talking about safety, it takes into account the latest and greatest development needs for ISO 26262. It fulfills all functional safety standards, and it has, by nature, always a monitoring of a safe state of the park brake incorporated. Top of that, there are comfort functions which help the driver and basically do all the things that a driver normally does with the conventional handbrake valves. It does it automatically and therefore also reduces potential failure of the driver.